In this video, we are going to see how we can delete a specific file in Google Docs or multiple files in Google Docs. So first of all, if you want to delete any specific document, just head over to the three dots next to the bottom right of that specific file. Click on that and click on remove, and that will remove this for you. You click on move to trash, but that will be deleted after 30 days forever. But if you want to delete multiple files, go to the list view. But from here, we only get this remove one by one option. We don't want to do that. What we'll do is just click on Google Drive. It depends on wherever your files are located. You just choose them one by one, holding the control key. And on the top, we get this option to remove that. Click on remove, click on remove. And as you can see, 5 items are removed directly together. If you want to locate that in trash, you can see all of these files. So let's say now we want to restore them all. Select the first file, hold the shift key, select the last file. This will help you select all the files in between. And we have the choice if you want to restore from trash or you want to delete it forever. You want to restore in this case. And that is how you can use this functionality. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.